Shravani,
Yes, sir.
inflation,
Yes, sir.
inflationary gap
Inflationary gap. Yes, sir.
is equal to commodity market gap plus factor market gap. Factor market means labor capital.
Yes, sir.
Commodity market means X goods, Y goods.
Yes, sir.
Full employment, actual output is Q1. What is Q0? Desired output. What is D0? Desired demand. If it is asked that what is inflationary gap in this market, it will be equal to D0 greater than Q1. And in this market, Q0 greater than Q1. What is a shape? This is shape of demand, desired demand. This is shape of desired output. And this is full employment output. Full employment output is always vertical. You will use in trade cycle this diagram. Have you written? Have you written, Shravani? Shravani,
Yes, sir.
have you written?
Yes, I have written, sir, but 1 minute wait, sir. I'm reading it once. I just want to read it. Okay, sir.
Read out what you have written.
Inflationary gap is equal to commodity market gap plus factor market gap. So commodity market stands for goods, X and Y goods, and factor market stands for capital and labor. Now Q1 stands for uh, full employment actual output. Q naught stands for desired output, and D naught stands for Q naught stands for desired output, and D naught stands for desired demand. Desired demand.
What is the
Uh,
shape of desired demand?
Shape of desired demand negatively sloped.
Desired output?
Desired output positively sloped.
Full employment actual output?
Vertical always.
Clear है?
Uh-huh.
Look here, this is a cross.
Yes.
So draw a line like this. Above this cross and below this cross.
Okay.
Price by wage.
Yes, sir. E by W, sir. Price by wage.
Price by wage. Real income is constant. Price by wage means real income is constant. Real income constant. Now at this price line, actual production can be A, but people want B and producer want C. Then what will happen? This will be a gap known as inflationary gap in commodity market.
Sir, point A, actual production.
Yes, and B is desired.
Sir, wait, sir. And C is producers. Producers.
Producer desired. Producer desired is from this to this. This area is known as inflationary gap in factor market. Inflationary gap in factor market is equal to AC, and inflationary gap in commodity market is equal to AB. That is drawn by Q0 minus Q1, D0 minus Q1, inflationary gap, inflationary gap. This is commodity market.
Q0 minus Q1. Q0
minus Q1.
minus Q1.
inflationary gap in commodity market. Means D0 minus Q1. What is the difference? D0 is equal to, at point B,
Sir, D0 minus Q1.
Q1.
D0.
D0 is equal to W by P B, and Q1 is equal to P by W A. Then what will be equal to? AB, BA. You will measure from here. This distance, this distance, this distance. So PWB minus PWA will be equal to AB. You read out this one.
Sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir. Which one, sir?
Read out.
Inflationary gap in commodity market is AB. That is D0 D0 minus Q1. D0 minus Q1. Yes, that is P by WB minus P by WA. That is AB. Yes, sir. Understood.
So that is why here I have written AB.
Yes, sir.
Now take inflationary gap in factor market. That is Q0 minus Q1. And what is the distance of Q0? So P by W,
PWC.
C minus P by W, A. What will be the difference? C, A,
ABC.
or AC. So I have written here AC. This distance is AC from this point to this point, from this point to this point.
Yes, sir. Sir, in vertical horizontal axis, what we are measuring?
Horizontal axis measuring Q0, Q1, D0. Horizontal axis D0, Q0, Q1, and vertical axis P by W. This is known as Bent-Hansen. Inflationary gap concept. Bent-Hansen inflationary gap concept. Bent-Hansen inflationary gap concept. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all.
Sir,
Uh,
what is the difference between a Keynesian unemployment and a classical unemployment?
we will discuss.
Sorry, sir?
We will discuss next day.
Okay,
Keynesian-
sir.
First, Keynesian employment and classical employment. Separated.
First Keynesian, after that classical.
No, classical and Keynesian.
Yes,
Number one.
sir.
We will
Right.
discuss. We will discuss it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Today I have told you Bent-Hansen inflationary gap concept.
Yes, sir.
You memorize it. I will ask you.
Yes, sir. Certainly. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.